In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place products on a curved cyclorama in Adobe Dimension. Let's get started right from the desktop. Launch Adobe Dimension and give it a moment to load the workspace. When it opens, create a new document so you're working with a clean scene and the default camera. Before we add geometry, set up a shiny material you can reuse. Open the Starter Assets panel, switch to Materials, and choose a chrome material. This will give you those crisp reflections that make a curved surface come to life. You can adjust roughness later to fine-tune how sharp or soft the reflections appear. Now, in Starter Assets, go to Basic Shapes and add a cylinder to the canvas. This will serve as your curved cyclorama. With the cylinder selected, look to the Properties panel on the right and rotate it so the curved side faces your camera. If needed, scale the cylinder larger so it acts like a backdrop that wraps your scene. The idea is to emphasize that smooth, continuous curve. Apply your chosen material from the Assets panel to the cylinder. If you picked chrome, you'll immediately see how it catches light, which is perfect for testing reflections and the overall look. With the background ready, select the products you want to place on the curved surface. If they're already in your scene, click to select them. If you've imported them earlier, just make sure they're visible. Use the Select and Move tool to roughly position each product so it appears to sit on the surface. Don't worry about perfection yet, just get them into place. To match the curve of the cyclorama, rotate each product so its base aligns with the curve's angle. Small rotational tweaks make a big difference in realism. Then, orbit your camera and check alignment from multiple angles to ensure the product actually reads as seated on that curved surface. Use gentle nudges and tiny rotations until it looks natural. Next, select Environment in the Scene panel. In the Properties panel, find Environment Light and rotate it to shape your reflections and shadows. This is especially important for glossy materials and metals. Drag a background image from your desktop onto an empty area of the canvas. Once it's placed, select Environment again and use Match Image to automatically align camera perspective and lighting with your background, giving you a cohesive scene. When you're happy with the setup, click Render in the top toolbar. Choose a file name, pick your save location, select the desired format, and then click Render to produce your final image.